Today I'm going to talk about the EP-675. This is a pistol grip tape dispenser. Now obviously, tape dispensers, there's loads of them out there. Some of them are all plastic, some of them are all metal, some are plastic and metal. Some of them have different features for safety cover for the blade. Protects the blade and protects people using it when it's not being used. And obviously it has a metal frame, metal flap, rubber roller, has a wipe down shield, clear. Now what's different about this is, normally if you're driving around the forklift, you're doing work in the different parts of the plants, when you put these things on the forklift, you take a turn, first thing they do is they're going to slide off the forklift. And obviously then you're going to run them over. But what we've done here is they've put a magnet, as you can see, right on the back. It's very simple, and if you get off the forklift, you got to tape some boxes, tape on some corner boards or edge boards onto a pallet, and when you're done, put it back on the forklift and magnet, it sticks there and holds it in place. Or if you're working and instead of putting it on the ground, you can just leave it, attach it here, it'll stay right here, drive around, and it's a good solid connection. It's not going to slide off. And then when you're done, just put it behind the seat and the magnet will keep it from sliding. And clever. And the other one we have is the the 620 mousetrap. Now what's different here, it's the same thing, it's the mousetrap style design. And obviously it has no center holder, it has our flap here, spring loaded, and it holds the roll in place, and has the plastic guard at the front, lift up, exposes the teeth of the blade, protects the user from getting cut. Now what's clever about this little guy is it doesn't have a handle, but we've attached 3 magnets to the bottom. Now when you attach this to the side of a forklift, or if you're packing over by a workbench and you want to stick it to the frame, to the racking, then what we use it here is if we're running around with pallets, you're putting labels on pallets, you want to put a bit of tape over them to protect it from getting smudged, getting wet. So easy, magnet on there, up with the blade, and just simple, tear off a piece of tape, you got 2 free hands, and whether you need to stick, cover labels, hold corner boards, edge boards, and down with the safety blade. Now this guy with the 3 magnets, this thing is pretty much welded to the forklift, or if you put it onto the side of a rack. So again, up with the safety blade, you can grab the tape, add a little bit. This is great for is if you're in the warehouse away from the packing station and there's some boxes you need to fix, repair, or replace. This guy is ideal. Pretty much you got a mobile workbench. So again, you have the Encore, the EP-675 pistol grip tape dispenser with magnets, and you have the Encore 620 mousetrap with the triple magnet, and again both units have the safety cover. Clever device, saves a lot of time and a lot of hassle and makes a simple job out of taping boxes when you're on the move.